All right, welcome back. Welcome back. This is part 8 video. We're finding the sum. It's addition, answer to addition problem with scientific notation. So here an example for, again, there are different exponents. What are you going to choose to do? Hey, you can stop, pause this video if you like and test your knowledge, or you can stick around. I'm going to show you the maybe easiest method in order to add these two coefficients. So remember, when the base is the same, 10 and 10, and you have two exponential powers, 6 and 4, these exponential powers and the base need to be the same. So I need to convert this power of 6 exponent into a 4, or I need to convert the power of 4 into 6. And the way you do that is you show the decimal and you manipulate the coefficient, either 3, or you can choose to manipulate the 5. Now remember, the rules for doing that are in part 4 video, converting scientific notation into standard form. Okay, I'm going to tell you right now, I'm going to manipulate the coefficient of 3 and turn that 4 into a 6 because it is the easiest way, and there's one less step I have to take. And if that doesn't make sense, hey, check out my part 5 video. I show that extra step at the conclusion of that particular part 5 video. So stick around. I'm going to show you how to do that now. All right, so the rule says I can take the hidden decimal to the right of the 3. I show that decimal, and if I move it to the left 2 places, then I would add 2 to the exponential power of 4. Of course, 4 plus 2 gives me the same exponential power of 6. I need that in order to add and subtract scientific notation coefficients. I need to have the same base of 10 and the same exponential power. In this case of either 4 or 6, this is so much easier to move the decimal to the left, add 4 to 2, and now they're both to the power of 6. I'm going to stack up my new coefficient of 0.003 and add it with my other coefficient, 5.00, and I am done. All right, so as you can see, we have 5.0 times 10 to the 6th power. I'm just showing the decimal, invisible decimal to the right of the ones place, adding a placeholder of 0 times 10 to the 6th power plus 0.003 times 10 now to the 6th power. They both have the same exponential powers. Hey, let's stack these two bad boys here, and let's just add them up, okay? So 0 and 3, 0 plus 3 is 3, 0 plus 0 is 0. Keep these decimals lined up anytime you add or subtract in your answer, and when you add or subtract. And 5 plus 0 is 5. Do I have a number between 5, I'm sorry, let me say that again. Do I have a number in scientific notation, a coefficient number that is between 1.0 and 9.99? I absolutely do. 5 fits almost right in between those two values. And so now I would like to show you that answer. It's not going to be the same answer as in uh, the part 7 video, because both of these uh, um, exponential values that we started with are different. So we have a different answer in this part than we did in the other part. But this is your answer, 5.003 times 10 to the 6th power. Math is easy. Take it step by step. Thank you for joining me. Stick around. I want you to be able to stop, pause, and practice some problems, and then I'll go over those answers in the next couple parts. Please like, follow, and share. Subscribe. If I've helped you, please help me to help others. Thank you again. Math is easy. Take it step by step.